How to copy text on Google Slide. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that if there is a way to copy your text on Google Slide. So let's get started. On this process, I'll want to inform you that there is no any official or such methods like you can easily copy your text on Google Slides. So for that, you'll have to just use your any browser, and in the source field you'll have to search for any copy text generator. So for that, open up new tab, and in the source field, search for curve text generator. Or what after you search it, you can find all of the website that will provide you to curve text. So simply, I will recommend you to use the curve text generator like InkPX. So simply click on that website. Alright, after you come on that website section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, after you scroll down, you can find a lot of templates where you can use to copy your text. So simply you can choose any on this template to copy your text. So simply select one from here. Alright, after you select it, you'll got such interface. So from here, scroll down and go this section like text, and from the text section, you'll have to just replace the text from your own text. Alright, so in my case, I will add some random text here. Alright, after you add it, you can as usual see the demo of your crop text, and from here you can also edit this crop. So for that, scroll down and go the section font, and from here as usual you can select any font from here, and from the section align you can also align alignment from here, and from the another section you can also increase or decrease the size of your crop text, and after you set it you can also set the like color, stroke or any offset. So after you complete all of the settings from here, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here tap on the option download. Okay, from here choose your file format like PNG or JPG, and after you choose it, click on download. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully downloaded the curve text from this website, and after you download that curve text, you'll have to just open Google Slide again, and after you open Google Slide, on this slide you'll have to just import or insert that picture. For that, click on insert over here, and from here select for the options like image, and after you select it, click on upload from computer, and from here you'll have to just select that downloaded curve text from here, and after you select it, click on open. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully added or import that curve text which I have downloaded from that website, and from here you can easily add curve text on your Google Slides. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.